If you are a Banknifty lovers, then you can see the tricks for 40 to 50 points. This is purely intraday tricks. We are using CCI 51 and CCI 14 value for this trade. Time frame is 1 minute. Market start to end is our main motto to close the trade. Let's find the trend on CCI 51 parameter, which indicate as red and green filled area. This is lower scale below the zero line area. This is higher scale above the zero line area. This is lower scale below the zero line area. Let's point out the extreme hook of CCI 14 opposite of CCI 51. Now the rules is if CCI 51 is on negative zone and CCI 14 hook from positive zone, the trend will be fresh sell. We will exit our position if 40 points touched or CCI 14 crossed on CCI 51, whichever is act as first. Our target is 40 to 50 points for this trade as we use the 1 minute time frame. Let's check the point and calculate yourself. One of the among trade is at cost to cost. 6 trade can give you 40 points, which means 240 points, and 1 is cost to cost. As per brokerage calculation, you can get 1000 rupees after all deduction from one lot if you book 40 points. Means 6000 profit can possible. This is how a paper trade can possible with 1 minute chart time frame. That's all for the day. Stay tuned for new videos and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share it to your nearest one. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.